As part of our work in reaching out to the BME community, we took some visually impaired members bowling at Tenpin in Blackburn. We met Norman and Pauline from National Blind Tenpin Bowling Association, who gave our players some tips. Warning, this video contains flashing lights. It starts off with photos of the group, plus Simon, Jamal and Raina holding orange bowling balls. There are also clips of our community outreach sight loss advisor Stuart showing Simon and Jamal how to bowl, with them bowling and knocking down pins. The final clip shows Raina throwing a bowling ball and knocking down pins.